This is Ball Sure Type Mason jar. I personally use these for my juices when I'm juicing or to store my seaweed after I prepare my seaweed gel. Um, Many people use it for canning, but I have not graduated to that level yet, but maybe soon. As you can see, it's made of durable glass. There's measurements on each side of the mason jar, all the way up to 32 ounces or 800 milliliters. On the top, you have a date you could put here to let you know when things were canned or placed in the bottle. Open this up. You have a two-piece lid to ensure freshness. Okay. And this is what the mouth looks like. I've had these cans or bottles for about 3 years. They clean easily, but it does take a special utensil to get down in here because I cannot fit my hand. So I use like a wand with a ball on the end to get in these crevices. I want to show you what it looks like with water or liquid in there. Okay. Just put the top on there. And turn it upside down. There is no leakage. You can shake it. Stand it on its head. That liquid is sealed tightly inside of this glass.